I am Teresa, 86 years old. I am residing in 1201 Legacy Drive, Apartment 111, Plano, Texas, USA. My husband's name is Isagani Hernandez Sr. We have 6 children and they are the following: Isagani Jr., Clarita, Elizabeth, Rodolfo, Teresita, and Joel. I have my birth certificate. I was born in Davao, June 17, 1925. Yes, I know and I recognize my grandparents. They are Nicolas Perez and Eleuteria de la Cruz. Yes, I met them since I was a little with them in Bunawan, where they lived until they passed away. My grandmother passed away before my grandpa. She died in Brokenshire Hospital in Magallanes Street, Davao City. Her body was taken to our house in Claveria Street, Davao City. Then after a week, her body was taken to Tibunco, almost 1 month in the house of my grandpa's brother, Mariano Perez. From there, she was brought to Bunawan Cemetery for the last burial. Yes, I was in the picture when she was buried. We have so many relatives. They are now in some of these pictures. And I don't recognize all of them, but some, as I remember, I can still name them. In some of this picture, my mother used to take me along with her, and I can name the families as the following related to us: Saavedra, Bangoy, Rita, Fe Teempo, Tangcontian, San Esteban, Matute, Ison Panlilio, Suaso, Tionco, Salas, and so forth. These are the picture of my grandma and my grandpa, Nicolas Perez and Eleuteria de la Cruz. And they have 7 children, 7 boys and 1 girl, which is my mother. This is the picture of my mother and she was married to my father, Rafael Rodriguez. And then this is the grave of my grandma Eleuteria Perez de la Cruz. Yeah, she's in Bunawan. That's it. They have 7 children, 6 boys and 1 girl. Only my mother, Florencia Perez. And my mother was married to Rafael Rodriguez, and my father died with this picture. This picture of my father. And they have 6 children, and I am the youngest. And my children are these. I got 6 children too. So this is all. And this is my sister, Crisante, my eldest sister. And this one, these are my cousins. Here in the pictures. Oh.
Ang pangalan, ma'am?
Ha? Benedicta Perez, Ruby Perez, and Aurora Perez. This one. And this one, these are also my relatives. This is my sister-in-law, married to my brother. And this is my auntie. She is in Tibunco. And these are all my relatives in Bunawan. And here are the pictures of all my relatives with their families. And I cannot recognize all of them, but when I meet them, I will recognize them. Ano pa? So, and these are some of the graves of my relatives. They are also Perez. I know one of them. That's it. This is the anniversary of my parents, Rafael to Florencia Perez. This is the wedding of my eldest sister, Remedios, married to Manalansan. She died. This is, that's all. Wala na. That's all. Tapos. Ano pang question niya? Wala na.